guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Christmas haul for you from Old Time Pottery, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I found. I'm so excited. Okay, I think we'll start with Old Time Pottery because what I found there I love. Okay, I got two deer from there, a female and a male, and underneath their bellies you flip the switch and she glows and he glows around their neck. That they're so pretty. They just look so cold and glittery. I mean, just look at this. And you actually got two of these they were regularly $35 and something, and they had them on sale for $19.99. So I had to get them. I couldn't help it. Look at him. How pretty. He's like looking around to see that she's okay. Oh, and they're so glittery. I don't know if you can tell. They are gorgeous. I love those, okay? Then while I was in there, I got some of these large ornaments because I'm going to do a DIY with them. This was $6.99, and as you can see, it's very large. And they had them in different colors, but in my house for Christmas, if you've been with me a while, you know I love things to look cold, so I stick with silvers, grays, blues, and white, okay? And then this one just looks like this. It was $2.49 at Old Time Pottery, but I think it is beautiful. And then I got this one, and it was $2.49 as well. And I just love the ribbing and the glitter on here. I think this is going to make a beautiful little project, okay? And then while I was in there, I picked this little glass up. I can't remember how much it was, and I don't have my receipt. I think it was like $2 something, but it's so pretty. I love that. And then I picked this little round glass up, and it was 99 cents. I hope you can see that. Okay, and that is all I picked up at Old Time Pottery, okay? So now we will go, I think, to Walmart next, okay? I picked these up. I have a project in mind for these, and they're just so pretty. I love the glitter and the designs of the blue. It's just so pretty, and then that frosty white. It just looks really sharp to me, so I picked that up. And then I picked these up, and I love these. I think I got some of these last year, but they're so pretty. I just love all the glitter, and then I love the dimension in these. I love them. And these were $9.48. Each one of these were $9.48. Okay. And then while I was there, I picked up this one. It was $2.48. I just love how that looks. Now I got some big ones from Dollar Tree last year, and then this one was $2.48 as well. But I wanted something that looked a little bit different. And then I picked up another blue one, like that silver one. And it was $2.48 also. Okay. And then I picked this up. It was $1.68. I picked up two of these. It's just this tinsel. So I picked up two of these, and there's 5 yards on each of these. And then I saw these, and I love these, so I picked up two of these. They have the little clamp on it, and these were $2.98. But they open way up, and they have all that glitter, so I went ahead and picked two of these up. And then I have a tree that my mother, when I was growing up, my brother and myself, she would buy us ornaments each year. And I have a pencil tree that I keep in my dining room, and I put all our ornaments on that, and I love them. And they're so whimsical. But last year I told my husband that I wanted to, for this year, do another pencil tree in our den, and I wanted to make it like a candy tree and real whimsical. So I saw this at Walmart. I'm gonna make my ornaments probably for the pencil tree, but I saw this and I wanted to incorporate this in that. I thought this was really cute. It's $1.48. I just want it to be very whimsical. So I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 like this with the little candy canes, and they were $1.48, 2. But I think they're gonna be really cute. Then I got some of this Buffalo Snowflakes, just a little container. I have other containers, but I'm gonna use this for something else. It was $2.64. Pick that up. And then this, they may have had this last year, I'm not sure, but it's a 30 LED bottle insert light set, and they had it in clear or multi, and I got the clear. And I got the clear, it says right here. And this it's warm white, and this was like, I think it was 2 something, but I really like this. And then when I was in Walmart, I went ahead and picked up this tree, and it was $2. It just looks so cold and pretty. And then I picked up a little bit smaller tree, and it was $1. And then I picked up a teeny tiny tree, and it was 84 cents. So I have something in mind with that I want to do with those. And then I got the bigger bags at Walmart on my last haul, but they didn't have any of the smaller ones. But now they have the itty bitty ones. So I went ahead and picked this up. I got 2 of these. They're $2.97. And they're just a pretty little snowflake. So I got 2 of those. And then while I was in there, they had this shirt, and it was on clearance, so I picked it up. I thought it was really, really cute. I just love it. Just looks so cute. And it was on sale it was regularly $14.96, but I got it for $7. So I thought that was a good deal. And it's just so cute. I loved it. I think it'll be really pretty for fall. And this has absolutely nothing to do with Christmas, but I love the Myers cleaning products. And they had some Myers hand sanitizer, and this was 2 something, I believe. And I got it in the lavender scent. It smells really good. And they also have basil, okay? That's all no, it's not all. Then I picked up 2 bunches of this from Walmart, Tinsel. This is so thick and full, and it just glitters. It just looks so cold to me. I love it. So I picked up 2 bunches of this. I have a DIY in mind for this. And then the last place I went was the Dollar Tree, okay? And I just picked up some of these little bulbs, ornaments, and they have them in different colors, but I wanted to stick with the silver, and that's just like the brush silver. And then this is kind of like just a little pattern. And then this is the glitter. I really like those. And then I picked up 2 small ones of these from there with the same kind of principle, the shiny, the matte, and the glitter, 2 like that. And then I picked up some of these little candle holders. They used to sell these all the time, but they were just flat. But these, they have made them much prettier and heavier. I mean, these are really pretty. They almost look like a diamond. But I think that would be really cute. So I picked a set of that up. And then I picked up one of these bulbs. I have an idea in mind for this. And then I picked up one of these little styrofoams. And then I bought a little package of like the medium bells. or the smaller bells really. And then I have 2 packages of googly eyes, one that's in color and then one that's just black with the various sizes. And then I picked up some of these snowflakes. I bought these last year, but I wanted some more. So that, I'm pretty sure, concludes my haul, but I had so much fun shopping, and I'm so excited to start all the DIYs. Let me know in the description box below if you think it's too early to start Christmas DIYs, and if you'd rather see more fall DIYs, or if you wouldn't mind seeing some Christmas DIYs. I definitely am going to start them after November 1st. I just don't know right now if I want to start them. I mean, I'm excited, but I don't know, since it's still October, I don't know how you all would feel about it. But just let me know in the description box below, in the comments actually. And the majority gets their way, basically. If you all want me to start the Christmas DIYs, I'll be more than happy to, because I have a lot of ideas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.